Few years back, we got the CAA new rules, regulation they have issued. We all know that this bill, CAA, is a draconian bill. And this bill, Citizenship Amendment Act, it is totally against the constitutional values of the our country. And also it is against of also human rights law. And we strongly oppose this Citizenship Amendment Act, and also the regulation and rules which is issued by the Home Affairs Union Ministry. And we also appeal the citizen of India and also especially our Northeast. We strongly should appeal this bill because this is very harmful for our indigenous people and also for the values of the Constitution of India. Because we know the bill which is against the Muslim community and also the Christian community. That is why we oppose this bill, and also we strongly condemn on behalf of TSF and as well as a Northeast Sister Organization NESO. And today we came here to burn this issue rules to show the government of India and also the government of Tripura. We are strongly opposed and we are strongly oppose this bill. Today we here come our town committee, TSF, and our Sodari Southern North and our central committee, Southern South, and we came together to show our oppose regarding this bill.
अगर गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया इस बिल को बातिल नहीं किया तो आप लोग का नेक्स्ट क्या पदक्षेप?
We are going to very violence because this bill is very sensitive issue. We all know this bill can harm very deeply in our state, Tripura state, and not only Tripura state, as whole India. Because as I said earlier, this bill always all around from all sides. This is against the Constitution of India and also against the human right law. That is why we like to appeal our Prime Minister of this country, our Narendra Modi and Amit Shah ji, to scrap this bill as soon as possible. We Tripura people always peace-loving people. We always make peace and harmony in this state. So we don't want to going violence for this issue. So they should understand our sentiment. They should understand our emotional. So that is why they should remove as soon as possible this bill.
Your name?
My name is Satyajit Dama and I am Town Committee TSF President.
Satyajit Dama.
Tabuk tei rang kebang sebayai fatar hastio thangai paramedical porina nanglak Rajakhor Agartala o notongo paramedical training nishep GT Institute oro expert teacher rock by diploma tei degree course khalai rejago tabu diploma course tei degree course ni admission ni samung ongoi tongo tei kaisa koktoma kahamungkha tabu arts tei commerce ni sorongnai jik songbo o course khalai mannai diploma course ti bagai class 10 tei degree course ni bagai class 12 pass khlaijak engna nangnai abono karibo GT Institute o tongo medical laboratory technology, operation theater technology, radiology and imaging technology, dialysis technology course akorok okay tei tamni leri tong tini no register khlaidi Chini ni kumangkha VIP Road, Gurkhabasti, Agartala, Chini Kokduk number angkha 8974558881.